sleepy, sleepy. And then you can when we go to heaven, we can be together forever, can't we? We both go to heaven. We can sleep forever. We can just be cuddled. Cuddle each other. My darling boy. You snooze now, darling. I love hearing you snoring. It means you're still here with me right now. He's gonna come down soon.